Expectations of business environments in Gümüşhane from vocational schools. Report content: Introduction, purpose, sample, method, data collection, data analysis, findings, results, suggestions. Introduction: Why are graduates from vocational schools, especially trained as intermediate staff for the industrial sector, found insufficient? The answer to this problem is actually important in terms of demonstrating the shortcomings of cooperation between vocational schools and industry. The most important of these deficient aspects is that there is a little or no cooperation between educational institutions and staff and employer institutions, organizations, and industry. For this, the current situation should be abandoned, and in the planning of education in vocational schools, it is necessary to design the educational system together with training staff and employers. Purpose: This research is a study for the purpose of presenting the expectations of employers in the industry from vocational schools and suggestions for the solution of these expectations. Sample: Corresponding fields of public and private organizations in which vocational school graduates can be employed in Gümüşhane were selected as the sample. Selecting 11 businesses were interviewed, 19 people in this business. Method: Case study method, which is a non-experimental research design in qualitative methods, is used in this study. Data collection: Interview technique was used to collect data. Data analysis: The programmer has used SPSS to analyze the data. This table shows the findings. This table shows the findings. Results: As a result, business circles prefer the vocational school students. Additionally, results show the missing cooperation with vocational schools. The business environments have stated that students in vocational schools has the lack of work ethic, expertise in the field, work habits, professional attitude. Suggestions: The business environment and vocational schools must be studied on the factors influencing the cooperation between them. Vocational school teachers must have connection with their corresponding business environments. Thank you for listening. For questions, email address is on the screen.